Hi, and welcome to the Art History Moment, Painting Like Picasso, a quick lesson in using techniques by famous artists. My name is Doris Charest, and I have a master's degree in education as well as an art degree, and I love teaching art, and I'm here to teach you all about my love for art. Keep in mind that this presentation is very simplified. I'm only showing you the very basics of this technique. But then again, we'll have so much fun doing it that you'll want to do more. Picasso's beginnings. Picasso was born in Spain, but he spent most of his life in France. His actual name was Pablo Ruiz y Picasso, but he became known as Pablo Picasso. He was a painter, a sculptor, a printmaker, a ceramicist, a stage designer, a poet, a playwright. He just loved it all. He was a very prolific man, and he just loved creating and just making things. So this is the very first step. We're going to learn how to draw the painting out. So let's watch the video and see how it's done. Here's the painting we're going to create, or at least something like it. So what I like to do is to trace the actual size of the painting I'm going to do, and then I put it aside. And the next thing I'm going to do is draw a face, because the painting we're going to do is an actual face. And those are the proportions. So we draw a generic face, 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth. There's the nose, a little bit of a curve, a basic traditional mouth. We don't want any detail with this, just the very basics. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to add some ears and just keep it simple. I don't think I'll even add hair. Hair makes it more complicated. We want to keep this style simple. So you're going to just take the basic shape of the head like that and tear it up, just like you're seeing right there. Big blank spaces, you leave them out. So then you take the pieces and you rearrange them. So you can place them on the actual little square there, or you could put it beside and you play with it until you're really happy with what you have. So I might put part of a lip right there. I think I'm going to just put it on the side and then draw it after. So I put it different shapes. So what Picasso did is he would take the face and then try to draw it from different sides. So it's very hard to kind of figure out how to do that. So I found this is a really easy way to do it. So now I have the basic shapes and I just draw them in. And I'm going to turn it into a design. So now here's a curve and a little bit of a nose and another part of the eye. So Picasso would have disjointed the eyes like that simply because what he wanted was to show different versions of the eyes. So the eye when it's looking forward, the eye when it's looking 3/4, and not just the eye, but the whole face. And this way, it's kind of what I found an easy way for everyone to succeed at doing this. So we're going to just draw in the basic shapes, and then later on, after we've drawn it onto the actual canvas, we add patterns and designs and make it really look interesting. Picasso was influenced by African art, and a lot of the colors and shapes he chose were influenced by that African art. He saw African art as an exciting way to do things, a way to make things more simple. So here's the drawing. What I want you to do now is make a drawing, and then we'll see you in the next session. Remember to keep it simple, and we'll see you in the next section.